Hello and welcome guys, welcome to the channel Bullets Garage. Quick update on the DDM LED headlights. So DDM did send out another pair for me. I got it today. And honestly, I just think it's a bad design on these. That's all that is. Bad design, nothing else to it. Let me bring you in closer so I could explain what I mean. So as you can see, the new ones they sent me are connected, both of them. There's nothing wrong with them. But here's the issue, and I think this is what happened when I was installing them. So once I put the bulb into the housing, it's hard to reach, so I was doing this one-handed. So when I was having the OEM connection in this hand, connecting it to this, and I was kind of trying to squeeze it together with one hand, get it tight, and probably what had happened is this wire moves up and down. Like right now, it's very stiff, as you can see. It's super stiff because just the way it's designed with this piece right here, it's so stiff. It's not meant to be flexed this way or this way, because that's what's going to cause it to break. So I mean, these are going to work, but you just have to be super careful with installing them. That's basically it. As you can see, the one that I fixed for him, where I put the caulk, the wire moves freely and the connection is still made, so chances of this breaking is slim to none when I install it compared to this. So I mean, I will probably connect these onto his car just because I know they're gonna work and I won't have to worry about installing it. I can just connect it real quick with one hand and it'll be good to go, and I'll have these as a spare. So DDM, thank you for sending me out another pair. Like I said, I still have great faith in the company. They're a great product. They deliver quality, that's for sure. I think just this particular bulb design, the Raptor series, had a design flaw with this, but it is what it is. Thank you DDM for sending me these out, and I'll be installing these on the car in a few days.